Hello Rotractors, welcome to SEARIC Sundays edition 2. Today we will talk about how to update your profile on myrotary.org. For that, once you log in and you see a small arrow beside your name on the top and you click on the profile option, this is the page that will come. Here you see your name. Since this is a demo video, you will see demo text here. So how to edit or update this? We just clicked on the edit button beside your name. Once we click on that, this is the page. To add your photo, update photo, you can click on the add option, and you can also look at the privacy setting on who can see this. Then you have your personal information, your full name, given name, or your first name. Again, it says personal information is shared with everyone, your middle name and your family name, which is your surname. Your gender, you can choose your gender, and you can also choose your year of birth. So it says gender and year of birth are only visible to club officers. So once you edit or update, you click on the Save Changes button, which is at the bottom. Once you update everything, once you click on the Save option, you are again directed to the previous page, which is your profile. Basically, it says Update Successful if you see on the top. Then as we scroll down, we see another section that is Contact Information. Again, to edit, we click on the Edit option on the right hand side. There you can add additional email ID. One will be your primary email ID. It says primary email for RI communications, and again there is the privacy setting. Then you can add another email. You can add your phone number by clicking on the add another phone option. Again, each section has a privacy option. For the phone, you can also select what type of phone. Is it your personal number, office number, or home number? You also need to select the phone extension, which basically is the country code. Then you can also select the primary phone for RI communication. Then you can also add your address, which will be your home address or your office address, business address, or localized address. Again, this also has a sharing option, privacy option. So you can add your address, country, region, city, and all the details as such. Here you can choose whether you want to share it with your club members, your district members, or to everyone. Then you click on the Save Changes button. So we just click on the cancel button to see what comes. So it asks you whether you actually want to leave this page since your changes have not been saved. So you can leave if you want to edit more, or you can click on the leave to go back to the previous page. Then another section is your background, which is basically a short introduction about me. You can write about your professional background. You can write about your experiences in Rotary. It is basically your background or your introduction. Again, this also has a privacy setting of who you want to share it with. As you can see, there is also a character count at the bottom. As to the limitations, then again you click on the Save Changes option. Once you click save, you again go back to the main profile. It says Update Successful again. As you go down, you see another section which is Rotary Programs. So Rotary Programs are basically the programs that you've attended. So it says only include programs you directly participated in, do not include Rotary Foundation humanitarian projects, matching grants, and so on. So below you can see the Add New Program option, and on the top you can also see the sharing option. So once you click on Add a Rotary Program, you will be directed to this page, and you can select the Rotary Programs from the drop down options. Now we're scrolling, we select Rotaract. Then comes the start date. When did you join Rotaract? You can select the particular date when you were inducted to your club. For now, we've kept it as July 1, 2020. Then there's also the end date if you've already left Rotaract, then your sponsoring club, and the club of which you are a member of. So once you add all this, again you click save, but you also see one notification which says pending verification. So RI will verify this information before actually putting it as verified information on your profile. And once you're done, you click on the save option. So again, it takes us to this particular page. Verification status says pending, as you can see. So after we're done, we're just going back to the main profile again now. So another section that we see here is your professional experiences. So you can add your professional experiences here. There's an option that you can see that is add occupation. You can add your occupation here. What is your professional profile? So there's the occupation, the name of your employer, or let's say the company, and the position at which you work. So you add all these details, and you can also add multiple occupations, and you can select the primary option which says that particular occupation is your primary occupation. After you're done, you click the save button again. Again, it says update successful. So going down again, we will now come to the final section that is here, which is the areas of expertise. So this is the area where you can add your skills, the area where you are an expert at. So it also gives down the options on the drop down section, the different professional expertise. So where for now we're selecting one field, that is education and literacy, and it also asks you what kind of experience. Is this professional experience, it is just your interest, or it's voluntary. So you select that, and you can also add another expertise by clicking on add another expertise, and again select in the similar way we did earlier, again the level of expertise, and after all that is done, you click the save button. You can select which one to make your primary area of expertise, and after that you click on the save button to finalize the changes. So yes, and once you do that, you again come to your main profile, which is this particular profile, and this is how you update your information on My Rotary. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.